Can you tell I'm recording this video without actually looking directly at my camera? In fact, I'm reading from a script. But thanks to Veed.io's incredible eye correct feature, I can read from my script whilst maintaining eye contact with you. This means I can speak confidently and naturally to camera without hesitating and trying to remember what I'm going to say. So if you'd like to learn how quick and easy it is to use this eye correction tool, follow me over to Veed.io. To start with, you'll either need to log into your Veed.io account or set up an account if you don't already have one. To set up an account is very quick and easy to do. Just answer a few quick questions on your screen and you'll arrive at your Veed dashboard. Your dashboard will look something like this. I've already got 2 projects loaded up. There are so many exciting features and templates to explore, which I'll be doing over the course of the next few weeks. But now let's have a look at the eye contact tool. Now you will need a Veed Pro account to get access to the eye contact tool. But if you want to test out all the Pro features, experiment with adding subtitles, remove the background from a video, then make sure you keep watching because the team at Veed are very generously giving you a free upgrade to Veed Pro for 1 month. And I'll be giving you the details a little later on, so do keep watching. So there are 2 ways you can use the eye contact tool to edit your videos. You can either upload a pre-recorded video into Veed, or you can record it directly in Veed. So let's have a look at the first option. To upload a video into Veed, from your dashboard, click on Create Project. Now upload or drag and drop your video into this space here. Once uploaded, make sure your video is selected. Underneath the video, you'll find a button that says Magic Tools. Click on it to open it up and then select Eye Contact. Now just wait a few seconds depending on the duration of the video and Veed's AI tools will magically make it look like your eyes are always looking at the camera. And I can see that's finished now. And here's a really good tip for you. Make sure that you're at least facing the same direction as the camera. You don't have to look into the camera. You can read a script from a piece of paper slightly below the camera or slightly to the side, but don't turn your head away from the camera itself. And now if I go back to the Veed dashboard, I'm going to show you the second way that you can use the eye contact tool. So you can record and edit a video directly from within Veed. So click on this button here. So if you'd like to record yourself in full screen, click on camera. If you'd like to split the screen, click on screen and camera or slice and camera. But for now, I'm just going to click on camera. And here I am. Underneath the screen, I have got a series of tools. So I can connect my camera by clicking on the downward arrow and selecting the camera that I want to use. So for now, I've got a FaceTime camera connected. Next to that, I've got my microphone connected. I always use an external microphone, but you can use whichever one you want. I can select this button here to share my screen, to share some slides. I've got various layouts. Importantly, you need to select the size of your video. So click on this button here. So if you want to record a vertical video, make sure you've got the portrait selected or the tall portrait. So Instagram Reels or TikTok. For now, I've got the landscape ratio selected because that's perfect for YouTube. I can change my background. And here is my favorite tool. I have got my prompter. So I'm going to select that. And this is where I'm going to read my script. And this is an absolute gem of a tool because it will allow me to read smoothly and naturally. And I don't need any expensive equipment like teleprompters, for instance. You don't have to use it at all, but it does help if you want a smooth and professional finish and you want to reduce the time you waste editing bits out. So I'm just going to close that down for a second, hit record. I've got a nice countdown timer so I know when I need to start speaking. You'll see that I have a timer at the top. I can pause the video, stop it, or just retake it. So I'm just going to let this roll for a few seconds, just so that I can show you how to use the eye correct tool from a recorded video. I'm just going to click stop. Now I need to select the video. To start speaking. Oops, sorry. And underneath, I've got the magic tool. So I'm going to click on magic. And then make sure the eye contact tool is toggled to the on position. And Veed.io will do its magic in the background and make sure that my eyes are always facing the camera. So just to prove to you that it does actually work, the video on the left is me reading slightly to the side of my laptop. So I would be reading a script to one side, and the video on the right is me looking directly into the camera using the eye contact feature. To get an exclusive 1-month upgrade to VEEDPRO Pro, just click the link which I'll leave in the description box underneath this video and type in the following code. Over the next few weeks, I will be sharing some more videos with you about Veed.io's fabulous video editing tools. But in the meantime, if you enjoy using AI, check out this playlist here, which is full of video tutorials about Canva's magical AI features. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.